Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to a scenic drive along Florida's Highway A1A through the historic community of Summer Haven. This charming area offers a unique blend of natural beauty and rich history. Summer Haven is a community located in southeastern St. Johns County, just south of the Matanzas Inlet. It lies on a narrow strip of land between a shallow marsh and the Atlantic Ocean, providing picturesque coastal views along Highway A1A. Established in the late 1800s, Summer Haven began as a retreat for local farmers seeking respite from the summer heat. Historic homes from that era still stand today, facing the Summer Haven River, and are among the first beach homes in Florida. Over the years, Summer Haven has faced challenges from coastal erosion and severe weather events. In response to damage from nor'easters in 1962 and Hurricane Dora in 1964, the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers constructed granite revetments to protect the area. Today, Summer Haven remains a testament to Florida's coastal heritage, offering visitors a glimpse into its storied past amid the serene beauty of its beaches and waterways.
Take the next left onto Summer Island Drive. In 300 meters, turn right onto A1A South. A1 is scenic and historic coastal byway. Take the next right onto A1A South. A1 is scenic and historic coastal byway. Continue on A1 is scenic and historic coastal byway for 14 kilometers.